Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. In this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the reducing installment method, also known as written down value method of charging depreciation with the help of this illustration 18th of DK Goel. Just reading out the question. On 1st April 2012, a firm purchased a machinery for rupees 2 lakh. Okay. The cost of the machinery purchased on 1st April 2012, it was 2 lakh rupees, keep in mind. Okay, on August 1st, 2015, the machinery became obsolete, means scrap, and was auctioned for 90,000 rupees. Auctioned means it was sold out for rupees 90,000. Keep the date in mind, August 1st, 2015. The firm provides depreciation on its machinery at the rate of 10% per annum on WDV method, written down value method. Now today, on the basis of this method, I will just explain you the calculation of depreciation. Just see, here of work has been prepared by me. Written down value method. How, with the help of written down value method, the depreciation can be calculated. On 2012, April 1st, machinery cost rupees 2 lakh was purchased. The rate of depreciation is 10%, and the method to be adopted is WDV method. So in the very first year, and that is March 31st, 2013, after using the machinery for the whole year, we will charge DAP at the rate of 10%. 2 lakh 10% will be 20,000 rupees. Now we have to write down the value of the asset after charging depreciation. After charging depreciation on 2 lakh, whatever value we will get of machinery, it will be known as written down value. Okay. Now in the next year, 2014, March 31st, that is end of the next year, 13-14. Again, we need to just charge depreciation, but the depreciation will be charged on WDV, written down value, that is 1,80,000. The DAP will be 18,000 rupees. After deducting 18,000 from 1,80,000, we will get 1,62,000. Now, what we need to do? We have to charge depreciation on this 1,62,000 at the rate of 10%. We will get 1,45,800 rupees after charging depreciation, that is written down value. So for these 3 years, okay, the amount of depreciation are 20,000, 18,000 and 16,200 rupees. In the next year, 2015-16, on August 1, the same machinery was sold. So in the next year, we need to just charge, we have to charge depreciation from April 1st to August 1st, that is for 4 months. For 4 months, the depreciation will be 1,45,800 multiplied by 10% multiplied by 4 upon 12. That is out of 12 months, only 4 months DAP will be charged. It will be 4,860. The written down value so got will be 1,40,940. Okay, but the same asset was auctioned, means sold for rupees 90,000, as we have already read, 90,000. Okay, the asset whose written down value, that is cost, was 1,40,940 on August 1st was sold at lesser rate, that is at 90,000 rupees. So there was a loss of 50,940 rupees. Okay. Now we need to just prepare the machinery account. Okay. In the machinery account, already I have told you, first of all, we have to write the, on the debit side, write on the debit side by the name to bank the cost of the machinery purchase on the basis of journal entry when we passes when we purchase the asset, that is machinery account debit to bank account. Machinery account debit to bank account. Here we need to prepare the machinery account, ledger account of machinery, and machinery in the journal entry is posted on the debit side. Okay, so on the debit side of the machinery account we have to just do the posting, but the posting in the particular column will be done by the name of the account representing machinery on the opposite side. On the opposite side, that is credit side, bank is representing machinery, so we will be writing the name of bank on the debit side of machinery account. Now for depreciation, already I have told you the journal entry which we passes in the chapter journal entry, as well as in the beginning of this chapter also, when I was just explaining you the original cost method of charging depreciation. The journal entry to be passed on charging depreciation on the asset is depreciation account debit to machinery. Depreciation account debit to machinery. Machinery is shown on the credit side of the journal entry. Okay, so the posting will be done on the credit side of the machinery account, but the name in the particular column will be of the account representing depreciation on the opposite side. On the opposite side, the depreciation is being represented by not depreciation, the machinery is represented by depreciation. The journal entry is depreciation account debit to machinery. Machinery is on the credit side, and this machinery is shown on the credit side, okay, of the journal entry. So the posting will be done on the credit side of the ledger account also, but the name will be used of the account representing machinery on the opposite side, that is depreciation. Okay, by that. Now what we need to do is we have to just subtract the debit side total from the credit side total. 2 lakh minus 20,000, we will get 1,80,000 rupees. The same balance will be brought down on the very first day of the next month. It is April 1st, to balance brought down. Now the depreciation. Now the same things which we have written in 2012, the same things will be copied in 2014 and 15. Okay, and the amounts we have already calculated the amount of debt in the rough. Okay, and I explained you in 2015 the debt is 18,000, and in the next year 16,200. The same amounts will be posted here. 1,80,000 on the debit side, that is the balance brought down, and on the credit side debt is 18,000 in the next year 2014, and debit minus credit we will get by balance carried down, that is 1,80,000 minus 18,000, we will get 1,62,000 as balance carried down. The same balance carried down will be brought down on the opposite side in April 1st, that is very first day of the next month. Now on the credit side the posting will be done by the same names in the particular column, and amount of debt we have already calculated 16,200. Subtract 1,62,000 minus 16,200, we will get 1,45,800. Now the same balance carried down will be brought down on the very first day of the next month on the debit side, that is opposite side. Now here we have to do the treatment of the last step of depreciation calculation. Okay, see, in 2015-16 the machinery was sold on August 1st 2015, so the 4 months debt will only be charged here, that is 4,860, right, 4,860. okay, and the machinery was sold for how much amount? It was sold for 90,000 rupees. 1,40,940 was the written down value of the machinery, but it was sold at lesser cost, okay, lesser value, so there will be a loss, and this loss will be shown on the credit side of the machinery account. Okay, just this is the solution of written down value method question. The machinery account is prepared by us. Okay, now just try yourself also. You can take the screenshot. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.